we are still very much on the bill. We still think that this is, the beginning of an income tax on everybody. And even beyond that, we still believe, and after talking to a lot of our members throughout Washington State, that especially for our small to mid-sized businesses, but even some of our very large businesses here in the state, that this is going to be a tax on businesses because you're going to get hit in all of the LLCs and the S corps out there that have pass-through income, which would include some really large companies like McKinstry Construction, which, you're talking about a very large company. Those are classified as S corps, and this is going to be really painful for them. And we're already seeing a stressed business environment here in Washington State. And we think that if the bill were to pass in its current form, that would exacerbate that. And what we're seeing, we've done a couple of different surveys here at AWB. We do those quarterly. In our last quarterly update, we asked, how many business owners, how many employers in the state of Washington are considering moving their domicile, their taxable address outside of the state of Washington. And so that was conducted at the end of January, beginning of February. And at that time, 44% of the employers, and so this was about 500 employers responded. And we don't doctor the data. We don't ask gotcha questions. It's, are you planning on moving your domicile out of state? And 44% of the respondents said yes. If you look at just Eastern Washington, the percentage actually flips, and 56% of business owners in Eastern Washington were saying they plan to move their domicile.